Showers and thunderstorms continue this afternoon across parts of the northern plains and the Midwest. This is where our latest disturbance is sliding its way through, and boy, some of this rain is coming down in buckets, especially across Wisconsin, an area that's been a pretty hard hit the last 24 to 48 hours. Some spots reporting upwards of 6 inches of rain, and flooding certainly going to be a big concern here. The rain still pounding some areas, and this rain, like I said, coming down pretty heavily at times. We are certainly watching this very closely because the NASCAR Nationwide Series in town in Elkhart Lake. That's where the Johnsonville Sausage 200 will be occurring today, and boy, we are certainly watching this very closely as this rain works its way eastbound. It's pretty juicy air mass overhead. It's certainly steamy enough out there, and that heat going to be fueling these thunderstorms today. Isolated tornadoes, gusty winds, flash flooding, and hail going to be the biggest concerns. Meanwhile, across the Northeast, that's where we are also tracking some showers and thunderstorms, mostly found up here in Canada right now, but that warm front will continue to sag its way a little bit further to the south, and it does look like a few scattered showers and thunderstorms will be found across parts of New England. Temperatures starting to warm up, and the dew point's warming up here as well, so it's going to start to feel a little bit more humid across the Northeast.